Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign to automate signatures in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you streamline your document signing process with ease and efficiency. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Docusign's website. Docusign is highly regarded as the #1 tool for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a go-to choice for many businesses around the world. With its robust features, you can save time, reduce errors, and maintain a seamless workflow. Once you're on the website, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. You'll need to provide your login credentials, so make sure you have those handy. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and easy and will give you access to all of Docusign's powerful tools. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign home. This is the hub where all your document-related activities take place. From here, locate the admin button and click it to access the administrative features. These features are key to managing configurations and setting up automations, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area if you want to maximize Docusign's capabilities. In the admin section, you'll see an option labeled Connect. Clicking on Connect will take you to a page where you can add new configurations. Here, integrations with other platforms can be set up, making your document workflows even smoother and more connected. Next, click the Add Configuration button. This is where you define the systems with which you want Docusign to integrate. Automating these connections reduces manual steps and speeds up your document handling significantly. For today's purposes, we're focusing on integrating Salesforce, a powerful customer relationship management platform often used in tandem with Docusign. Click on Salesforce to begin the setup. This integration allows Docusign to work directly within your Salesforce environment, facilitating effortless document sending and signing right from the interface. This setup can save you a significant amount of time by reducing the need to switch between applications, making your document management far more efficient and seamless. Once configured, you can automatically send contracts, collect signatures, and track the status of agreements without leaving Salesforce. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Docusign to automate signatures, specifically integrating it with Salesforce. Following this step-by-step process will simplify your workflow significantly, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on paperwork. Remember, the key to automation is setting up these types of integrations. They make processes flow naturally and save valuable time. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials to make the most out of Docusign and other digital tools. Happy DocuSigning.